Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I am making money in the crypto space using this website that gives me access to over 100 premium Telegram channels. Now before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Here we have it, guys. The wait is over. It's SignalPeak.io. Now, the reason why I'm picking SignalPeak is I used to be in multiple different channels, paying monthly fees, paying lifetime fees over and over again to try and find that good crypto channel. However, with SignalPeak, as we can see here, is they give you access to over 100 different elite sources. Whether they're premium, whether they're that, they've all signed up to SignalPeak and you get access to every single one of them. Not only do you get access to all of these on the screen, but if I press show all channels, you can see that they literally have multiple different ones, whether it's meme coins, whether it's swing trading, whether it is scalping, whatever you decide to do, they have an option. And today I'm going to be showing you the Alex Friedmann chart, which is over on the left hand side. The Alex Friedmann group, for me personally, is unreal. He honestly posts so much during the day, and they're coins that you probably have never heard of, and coins that, so you're getting early access to these coins. He's done the research, he's shown you everything about them, and honestly, when I show you some of the results, you will be blown away. Now, to get access to SignalPeak, you can have that free trial, clicking that link down in the description. But the lifetime option is the one for me, because $350 and you're done. They have over 100 different premium crypto groups, and multiple are being added every single week. Now, the more that get added, it means it's cheaper for you because you don't have to pay any more money. It's literally the one lifetime fee and you are sorted. Now let's get into the Alex Friedmann group. We're over on the left hand side of the screen now, and as you can see, the one latest was Fartcoin/USDT. He even tells you the exchange that you can get it on, which is Bybit. It's a short 12.5x cross. Here is your entry targets, and then he gives you 7 different TPs. So obviously, if you are more of a holder, if you're more of an investor and you like to keep your crypto in your exchange for a long time, these obviously are an option as well, because a lot of these he is predicting to go to heights and bigger heights. Whereas me personally, I normally take the 3rd or the 4th TP and then I close the trade, close the chart and crack on with the day. But as you can see, these were all on the 6th of March. We've got Fartcoin USDT, Flow USDT, and then these are ones that have hit. This is take profit number 3. This one is take profit number 8. As you can see, there is just so many. This was back on March the 4th. But if I continue with March the 6th, you can see it's cookie.USDT, Slealth USDT. Like a lot of these I've never even heard of. We've got Fartcoin again. So he's obviously very, very confident with Fartcoin. And then you've got Ondo, 1000 Bonk. Honestly, it goes on forever and ever. He posts so many. Probably about 95% of them all hit their take profit. At least 1, 2, 3, maybe even the 4th one. I've even seen some go up to 6, and even some that have gone way past the 6 TP. So honestly, it all depends on what sort of trader you are. But with SignalPeak, you not only get access to that, you get access to every single one of them. But there you have it, guys. SignalPeak.io, access to 100 different premium crypto channels. Gone are the days where you're purchasing every single one. Literally get that lifetime option and you're done. You're set for life. And you can get invested and start making that crypto money that we see all over the place. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.